Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, myself Mahima. I am back today again with a new video and with a new concept. Let's start our video with my introduction. Myself Mahima, as you all know. If you don't know me, do like, share, comment and subscribe my videos to know me more. Okay, now let's get into video. Okay, today I am gonna teach you the topic called communication skills. How important the communication skills are. The communication skills plays a very key role, very main role in everybody's life. As usual, communication skills plays a key role. With good communication skills, a person can achieve some wonders. You know what? Some people, as I saw, some people have very good knowledge, but very good knowledge, but lack of communication skills. So they started building up their communication skills today in this late age group. How far it is good, how far it is fair, tell me. They're getting late in their future plans also. They're getting slow, they're getting backward, they're becoming backward in the society. So what I say is, since your childhood, since now, since this second, start building up your communication skills because they are very important. While using communication skills are only used to express your feelings from one self to the other self. The communication skills helps you to give a clear expression of your feelings to the others. If you have good communication skills, it helps you to build up very strongly. It helps you to move very strongly in the society. It makes you very strong. It strengthens you to speak to others. Also, it helps you in many ways. Whenever you travel to some other places, your good communication skills impresses people and let them help you very firstly. You know what? Whenever we go to some MNC companies interview, example, I don't mention the MNC's company because it's not according to the legal. So, if we go for any MNC company interview, first they check our qualification. Qualification is important, but it's not mandate. Qualification is mandatory, not more important. It is just essential thing. So they'll check our qualifications and then they come with some rounds by speaking with us. The interviews will start by speaking with us face to face. They'll check our eye contact, they'll check our body language, our dressing sense, our communication skills, etc. The main thing they always notice is our communication skills, because our communication skills plays a very key role, very important role, very vital role in today's society. If you have communication skills very nicely, you can do wonders like anything. You know what? Whenever you have good communication skills, you need to express. Good communication skills means expressing the feelings very freely to others. Whenever you start expressing the feelings very freely to others, then it will build you up. It will let you to be an extrovert, not an introvert. It helps you to change your behavior, change your mentality. Okay, communication skills also sometimes needs with these few essential things. Some people has very good communication skills, but they are very poor at grammar. Whenever you start attracting the people with your voice and voice modulation and the way you speak and the slang which you use, will not let others to bother your grammar mistakes. You know what? Some people are there, some celebrities are there, maybe some senior authorities in some companies, somewhere else. They know very nice English. They had a very good communication skills, but they are very poor at grammar. What they do? They obviously, some people start attracting others with their English, with their speaking skills, with their expressions, with their body language, with their dressing sense and the appearance and the ambiguance of the sentence. These all helps him to build his communication skills and let him to express everyone, which helps and plays a very nice role to him or she. Whenever one person is there, he has a very nice grammar knowledge, but he can't speak. What's the use of it? There is no use. Maybe it's you are only the today. You are there today. Suppose you know very nice grammar, but you don't know proper English. How to use it? How to speak it? Learn it from today then. Just learn it as if you never learned it. Learn as if you are doing it for tomorrow. and perform every time as if you never performed, and this will be your last performance. You perform it like that, and I swear you'll see few wonders among the people around you. These communication skills makes the people around you to get amazed. They'll seek your attention. I mean, you'll seek their attention. Slowly, they will also try to impress you with some other skills. It happens every time. See, I had a friend, example, I'm very good at speaking. In my school, everyone used to say, you're very nice at speaking, how you are building your English. How they used to ask me how. I don't know how. I am very passionate about speaking nice. I am very interested about expressing my feelings to others in different ways. So I started building up slowly. I don't know how it also built up inside me. But today, a few of my friends are trying to beat me. Like, a few of my friends tries to speak English like me. They tries to act like me. They tries to learn from me. And many people tries from other arts to beat me. In my school, everywhere we have some competition. Like in exam, if she is reading better or he is reading better, we or the others will try to beat them. That's true. So what happened here is, slowly the people around you will start learning new skills. And then I am sure that you'll be having a very good name around the people. So only one thing I can say is, communication skills plays a very key role. It is very important. So start learning it from today as if you are doing it for tomorrow, and perform it as if you have never performed and it will be your last performance. Do have some confidence while you are doing it, and do feel free to express. Do communicate to others in English. Communicate with your parents in home in English. It will slowly start building. Watch some English movies with subtitles. The best idea I'm gonna give is, to build up any language, to build up your communication skills, watch your favorite movie. Suppose if you have an English favorite movie, Harry Potter is my English favorite movie. I'll start watching it. For the first time when I started learning English, through like this also, it helped me a lot. I learned Hindi in this way. I'm very fond of, I learned Hindi in this way, that I start watching a Hindi movie with subtitles for 2 times. At the 3rd time, I'll start getting the dialogues in my mind. It strikes every time, right? So then you also start speaking back of those words. Then it will slowly build up. It will give some confidence to you, which helps you, which takes care of your grammars also, which will help you to speak to people. So it increases your strength. It will slowly starts building up. So what I can tell you today is, learn English, learn communication skills, do follow few rules. I'll say you 3 rules, only 3 key points, Follow these 3 key points will make you wonders to learn English or learn communication skills. Do not follow others' slang. Create your own style. Start building it up today and perform as if you have done never. First one is, do not follow others. The first thing is, do not follow others. The do not follow others plays a key role, because whenever somebody is trying to speak in English, if you try to speak my style of English, it will be like copying my English. It's not your communication skills. You're just copying mine. Copying or following others doesn't mean that it's your skill and your talent. Just show out your talent. Just bring out your talent. That is more important. Okay. Next thing is, create your own style. See, every time, whenever you speak, start using your hands. Start expressing with your eyes. Start do everything with a smile. Just have a little smile. Give little expressions. Use your hands for expressions, and just continue speaking. You'll automatically seek the others' attention. So what I say is, creating your own style makes you very nice. In the other video, in my first video, I told you about creating your own style. Creating your own style also includes a few points like dressing sense, few ornaments things, build up things, etc. So do check that video also in my channel. And the third point is final point. The third point is uh, the third last point is, do learn as if today, as if tomorrow, and perform as if you have never done. That is simple and very clear cut also. You can easily understand. Learn it today as if you are going to write the exam tomorrow, and just perform now like as if you have never done, and this will be your last performance. These 3 points will make you see wonders. So I promise for that it will make you see wonders. Thank you for giving me this wonderful thing, and do follow my channel Positive Vibes Only. Be positive, think positive, do positive. Thank you guys.